Hello guys. Okay, so we had to start a new world because my dumb editor forgot that the mic was on mute. Because my editor forgot to check if the mic was on mute. Hold on, what's 25 times 4? And I'm not forcing anyone to do this, but please like and subscribe. It'd really help me out. I'm gonna make a house first, like, right here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, for now, I'm only making it a tiny hut. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so yeah, we've got a 4-block gap between each of the blocks. Well, between, yeah, got him. So I just can't thank everyone that's helped me on this journey enough. Thank you. So yeah, that's why they're getting credit as well. What the? Boop. But like seriously, I can't believe I'm thanking everyone so much. And I'm pretty sure I've already said this, but please like and subscribe. I'm not forcing anyone to do it. Like, if you don't like my content, that's okay. If you like my content, you can subscribe, you can comment, you can like, I don't mind. As long as there's no hate comments, because those will get deleted. There will be absolutely no hating on my channel. Like, seriously. Okay, let's just use this. Oh my god, I'm only at the bottom corner of the map. Okay. You guys are lucky you have someone like me to be as like a subscription if you're subscribed, because we don't tolerate any mean here. I know I will not be doing any live streaming or reacting to YouTube videos. Ooh, lava. I'm so glad for the people that actually have the patience to watch this whole video. And for the people that are just subscribed. Like, usually I'm not this happy and energetic, but I will start to kind of be here, because I want to support people. Like, seriously, I would love to support people, and in comments they will be deleted. So why do I keep on repeating things I've already said? Oh god. I'm so thankful for all of you that will have stayed here and just listened to me just yapping. Which, like, I'm just playing Minecraft and yapping. But the reason I'm yapping is because I'm actually Irish. I'm not sure if you can tell by my voice, because like seriously, one of my friend's uncle said, "Hey, geez, you have a very Irish accent." I'm honestly not sure about that, so I need your guys' opinion for this. Because I honestly don't know. God, my back is so sore from sitting here for ages. Seeds! 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 Oh my god. I have a pet chicken. Hold on, can I tame this chicken? I think I just tamed the chicken. I think I just tamed the goddamn chicken. That's amazing. Oh my god, that's amazing. I literally just took a like a chicken into my house. Just waking these to see if I can get any more seeds. Because I want to have a ton of chickens in my house for some reason. I'm going to make a chicken farm. And no one's stopping me from making a chicken farm. Like seriously, no one is stopping me from making a chicken farm. Like seriously, I love AC/DC. Chicken! Come here, little chicken. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm gonna have 2 goddamn chickens in my house. Never hold seeds near a chicken that's looking at you, kid. Hold on. Hold up, if I can have 2 chickens. Oh god, I'm about to have 3 chickens in my house. God, I'm gonna have like a whole tree of chickens. Oh my god, that they're walking the same way. Same thing as me. Okay, come on, little chickens, come on. Get the hell in here. Sorry, they're still coming. Hold on, I'm getting your brother. Oh, soon to be brother. Come on. Come on, get in here. No. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh god, a tree in my house. Yeah, I'm just gonna make a little hole for them to like stay and nestle into. Like seriously, I'm making them a little hole to kind of like stay and nestle into. Get in the hole, yes. Yes, that's what I want you to do. I want you to get the goddamn hole. And I don't think chickens can go that high, can they? Get in. I don't care if you get in or not. It's gonna fall. Yeah, I know you ain't gonna fall. You ain't gonna fall. See, he's just floating. Okay, yeah, you're definitely gonna fall. That's what I was about to say. Did I just hear an egg? I swear to God, did I just hear an egg? Yes. Now get in. Stay in. It's just the fact that I'm never getting the birch slabs back. Slabs back. Yo! They literally just laid an egg. Come on, get in the hole. Get in the goddamn hole. Oh my god. How do I do this? What time is it? No. What time is it? I mean, like, how many chickens can I fit into this hole? Probably not a lot. Okay, bye guys. See you in the next episode of Minecraft City thing. I don't know what the name is. I'm giving a special thanks to my dumb editor and to my friends.